Welcome to the beautiful Carlisle Bay Resort here in Antigua. Today, I'm giving you a look inside one of my favorite room categories, the 2-bedroom beach balcony suite, complete with a stocked mini bar and coffee maker. As you can see, this spacious suite is perfect for families or friends traveling together. You've got a bright open living area, modern island decor, and floor-to-ceiling doors letting in plenty of natural light, along with a nice welcome amenity. Step out onto your private balcony and this is where the magic happens. Stunning views overlooking Carlisle Bay's calm turquoise waters and soft white sand beach. Imagine morning coffee on your private balcony. Each bedroom offers plush bedding, plenty of storage, and of course, luxurious ensuite bathrooms. With deep soaking tubs, a double sink vanity, and spacious showers. It's the perfect mix of comfort and Caribbean charm. The bathroom has a shared entrance with the second bedroom set up with 2 twin beds. Reach out to Prince Adventures today to book your beach vacation.